Hey there, this is Michael with Buffalo Finances, and I'm answering a question that somebody has for me, and there's probably a lot of other people that have the same question because it comes up on a regular basis. So the question is, how do I obtain a refund that the IRS has lost, essentially? So that there's a refund due to you, but you didn't get it, and the IRS says they sent it. So I believe that's what the question is. So there's three different things I'll just go over quick. This is going to be very brief. The first thing to try to do is to log into the IRS's website online and look at your account. So the website is irs.gov/refund. And there is a button there that you can press for logging in. If you don't have an account, you'll got to create one. And it's a big green button that says id.me is the login. So you try to log in there, create your ID, log in, and you should be able to find the status of it, and which should say whether there is a refund that was sent, when it was sent. So that should be the first place to go. If that's not helpful or it doesn't show up there, there is a form that can be filled out. This is option number 2. The form is 3911, and it's really, I'll read a little bit about it to you, but you can find this on the IRS website, irs.gov, publication, form 3911, taxpayer statement regarding refund. And so you complete this form and say, I was expecting to get a refund for this, this particular year. Like we're in 2022 now, so you can send this for 2022 and earlier. You have to let them know what type of refund you requested, whether it was a check, direct deposit. You tell them what bank account you were expecting to get it in, which checking, savings, and then the bank account number, and routing number. And you'll complete this form, send it in, and you can either send it in paper copy, or I believe you can upload it to their website. I always mail it in because then I can do certified mail, and the IRS will have to sign to prove they received it. And then I can tell any IRS agent that I talk to that I have a document saying that they received it. So that's option number 2. And that should track the refund check, and it should say when they sent the refund check, where they sent it to. And if it went to the wrong spot, then that's the way you tell them, hey, you didn't send the right spot. Here's proof you sent to the wrong spot. I wanted you to send it here. I am the authorized person. Please cancel that and resend it to me again to the proper location or the changed location. All right. And then the last method is probably everybody's favorite, which is to actually contact the IRS, give them a phone call. And I have Refund Inquiries is the website that the IRS will give you. And there's 2 phone numbers you can call. Where's my refund, which is 1-800-829-1954. And that's the automated system, so it's faster. And then there's the slower way, which is calling 1-800-829-1040, 1040. And that one takes longer, and you have to call them during business hours, which is 7 in the morning to 7 at night, whatever time zone you're in. And that one's tricky because you never know when you're going to be able to get a hold of them. If you call them late in the day and you get someone on the phone, they will tell you that they don't have enough time to talk to you, and they will say, call back later. Or actually, they'll do that any time of the day. I've had it happen like at 8 o'clock in the morning. I call them, and I'm so happy I got you on the phone. And they say, we don't have enough time to talk to you. We're too busy. Call again later. And they'll just hang up. They won't even wait for you to reply. And it's not even automated message. A real person has said that to me in the past. So it's really frustrating. I'm a tax preparer. I'm a tax practitioner. So there's a special number I can call because I have a PTIN, a number that I can give them to say, hey, I'm authorized to talk about tax matters. I'm a tax expert. Therefore, I get a special number. So normally I get through more often, but I still have to jump through those same hoops. And that's normal. So those are the methods to get a hold of the IRS, and they will tell you the status of the refund. And normally when they do give you information, they will tell you where you should go to get next steps. Like when they send information back, or when you talk to the IRS agent on the phone. All right. Well, hopefully that's helpful. And I'm happy to assist in any way I can. You can hire us, book a call with me. We'll fill out these forms, or we'll call the IRS on your behalf. And we've always been able to figure out what's going on, even if it's not the news we want. Just a quick example: one individual, the IRS issued him a refund, and he didn't know that he was supposed to get a refund. So he thought that they applied it to his next year's taxes, and he totally didn't realize that they didn't do that. And so he thought he owed less money the next year. So it's really important to know where you stand with your balances with the IRS, which is why they have tools online, which is why I can pull transcripts to find out what your status is. So if you want me to help out, I'm happy to. Otherwise, those are the 3 methods I recommend for tracking it down yourself. All right, this is Michael with Buffalo Finances. Have a great day.